Hello everyone, welcome to my channel. In this video, I would show you how muskmelon juice can be prepared in a very refreshing way. Anyway, we all make muskmelon juice in our own ways, but this is the recipe which I usually follow. For this, take a muskmelon, cut it into half. For easier chopping, I have cut it into further half. I am using only half of the whole muskmelon. Took out the seeds and then I am taking the peel off. For this I am using only half of the muskmelon. Now take a small portion of the fruit and chop them into fine pieces, very fine pieces, so that we can use these pieces for garnishing, and even the juice would taste good when we chew these fruit. Now some into bigger pieces for juice. Now transfer these big pieces into mixer jar. I am making here a very thick juice, so I have filled up almost to the brim, the jar. So if you want little lighter juice, thin juice, you can add more water and less pieces. Here I have added only 50 ml of water, not a lot of water. Add 1 spoon mashed jaggery, half a spoon of crushed black pepper. You can adjust the quantity of jaggery and black pepper as per your taste. You may increase or decrease. See, the thick juice is ready. Now serve this into a serving glass. And just garnish it with the fine pieces which we have kept ready. This tastes awesome. When we chew those fruit pieces along with the juice, it tastes very good. Bye-bye.